Hi guys, I'm here with a wood burning kit. I want to start a new craft, so I'm going to take you along on this journey. And first I just want to unbox this kit that I got. It's not an expensive kit. It's I got it off Amazon. I'll leave a link. But it's, I think, a great beginner kit. I haven't used it yet. I've watched some videos. It comes in a nice case to keep everything contained, and the case has this loop right here. If you hear rain, we're having a terrible storm, so you hear rain dripping. I have the window open and it's crazy, but it's probably raining near you too. So you have a loop here to hold it, then it has a zipper opening over here. So I'll just open that, and when I open it up, okay, we have an instruction booklet right there. So there's a quick start, and you'll see you get the tips with it. So inside we have wood burning and soldering 28-piece tip set. So you'll see all of the different kinds of tips that you get there. And you have the connector, and then there are additional tips on this side. So here's the actual unit. Let me pull this out. So here's the unit, and it has a tip on it right there. There's a little screw, so I guess that's how you put the tips on. It says it's 30 watts. Has your typical plug attachment, and then in here we have this. Now, what is this? Is this something? Oh, I think this is probably a stand to put. I'm assuming this pulls up. I don't want to do it, and this will stand so that it's not on your surface, because this can start a fire, from what I've seen, if it's on a surface, like a wood surface. It could actually, or paper or whatever, could start a fire, and I'm sure it could damage your surfaces. And then inside we also have some additional tips. These look to be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe, is it 6 if I didn't double count with the connector, and then that X-Acto kind of knife piece. I will put a link to this, and I'll show you more when I get to use it, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. This is a good set. It's not expensive at all. It's something great to start with if you want to start a new hobby. So I'm going to see what I can do with that. I wanted that for a while, and I will do some more videos, but thank you for watching. I'll put the link to the Amazon listing for this if you want to check it out more and see some more details. That would be great. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share. Really appreciate that. And we have some great giveaways going on. We have more coming up. Hope you entered our Melty Pop, because we're going to be drawing a winner for that, I think tonight. But everyone, have a great day. Bye-bye.